42, a policy that allows for the suspension of entry of individuals into the United States for the protection of public health, which was set forth by the Trump administration, is set to expire this coming Wednesday, December 21st.
Migrants from Latin American countries have been traveling toward the southern border in anticipation of the expiration of Title 42 to enter the United States seeking asylum. The Department of Homeland Security warns that anyone ineligible for asylum will face charges and deportation for crossing the border illegally. In the past weeks, U.S. Customs and Border Protection has encountered an average of 7,000 crossings daily along the southern border, with the leading countries of migration being from El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Mexico. A total of 2,378,944 encounters were reported for the 2022 fiscal year. That's a 72% increase from the 2021 fiscal year. Over 200,000 encounters were reported for the month of October. November and December have not yet been reported, but are expected to have increased dramatically. A state of emergency has been issued by Yuma County Chairman Tony Reyes to address the health and humanitarian border crisis along the U.S. and Mexico border as the county faces a triple threat of COVID-19, RSV, and flu cases, with the increasing number of migrant crossings while challenging Yuma's local healthcare resources. The Yuma sector has made more than 300,000 apprehensions in the 2022 fiscal year alone, and it is anticipated the number will increase by 40% or more upon the expiration of Title 42. A proclamation issued by the chairman stated that the increased numbers of asylum seekers and migrants will place a severe strain on federal and state resources, nonprofit organizations, and others providing humanitarian and healthcare service. The proclamation also stated that there are no shelters currently activated to accommodate asylum seekers and migrants, increasing the likelihood of their release into the streets of Yuma County.
Bipartisan lawmakers appealed to extend Title 42 amid the border crisis, a request that was denied by a federal appeals court on Friday in Washington, D.C. Lee Geller, a lawyer with the American Civil Liberties Union, one of the organizations on this case, stated that Title 42 must end because it is a public health law, not a border enforcement tool. Unless the case is presented before the U.S. Supreme Court, Title 42 is on schedule to expire this coming Wednesday. We will continue to update you any developments. JOHANNA-ROSALYE reporting from downtown Phoenix.